हे सिस्टर्स एंड देयर मिस्टर्स, आज कुछ डिफरेंट करेंगे। ये शॉर्ट वीडियो के लिए था बट इसको मैं 1 मिनट के अंदर नहीं एडिट कर पाई, तो मैं अभी इसको लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट के लिए अपलोड कर रही हूँ। आई होप यू गाइस एंजॉय इट। नाउ दिस इज़ द ओनली वे माय हस्बैंड विल ईट वेजिटेबल्स एंड ही इज़ अ वेरी वेरी पिकी ईटर। तो यहाँ पे मैंने ब्रोकली कट कर ली है। अभी मैं इसको वॉश करके अच्छे से बॉईल कर रही हूँ फॉर 5 मिनट्स। उसको मशी नहीं करना है, बस इसका डर्ट निकल जाए, इसमें अगर कोई इंसेक्ट्स हो वो निकल जाए, बस इतना करना है। ऑन अ नॉन स्टिक पैन आई एम एडिंग ऑयल। आई ऑलवेज यूज ऑलिव ऑयल बट मेरे पास अभी ख़त्म हो गया था तो मैंने नॉर्मल ऑयल लिया था। एंड देन आई एडेड कैप्सिकम एंड वन ऑफ द कैप्सिकम पीसेस वाज डांसिंग एज यू कैन सी। वो मैं इसको अच्छे से कट करके सॉटे कर रही हूँ फॉर अ गुड 2-3 minutes until it turns a little bit brown in the inside and dark green on the outside. Then I had cut all these mushrooms and I am adding in that as well. Don't worry if the mushroom size is big because then it will become mushy. Then I added the broccoli and I'm cutting it a little tinier than what it was, but even this will become nice and mushy, so you don't have to worry. And that's my husband coming and checking on me. Now I'm gonna give it a nice saute. Mix, 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 mix. I haven't added any spices or anything as such. Now I'm adding salt. Then I am adding some oregano. And in this I've mixed both the Mexican and Chinese flavors, because I know it's a crime but that's how my husband likes it, so that's how I make it. All right, then I've added some chili flakes, then I've added onion powder. So I don't chop onions and make it like golden brown. I just add the onion powder. That gives a little bit of nice extra taste to it. Then in the separate pan I've just added a bit of oil, because I am going to be cooking one egg and like an omelette. Then I will just mix it all up. What is it called as? I forgot. All right, any which ways. So here I am. Okay, it's called a scrambled egg. Yeah, now I remember it. Now I'm going to scramble it nicely, and I usually have more veggies and less rice, but my husband has a little bit more rice and less veggies. But then yeah, this is how I am going to make it, and I will just saute it with that. In the egg I added pepper and salt for taste so that it is not bland. So I had pre-cooked rice from earlier and I am giving it a good mix and letting it cook in its own flavor for a good minute. Then I added a tiny bit of soy sauce in the end because he likes it that way, otherwise he feels it's too bland for him. And that's what I'm doing, cooking it really nicely for a good 2-3 minutes and then just taking it off the flame. And I serve it when it is really hot itself because it tastes better that way. And yeah, voila, the dish is ready. It was very simple, easy, and this is how it looks like. I hope you guys enjoy it. Ta-da! Bye!